A user asked about making a script to export layers from Photoshop. I thought surely a script for this must exist. But searching the web, I couldn't find one. Of course, because Photoshop already has a script for it. It's in Export under the File menu. However, the script that comes with Photoshop lacks some features I wanted. So I wrote my own script. Save layers. I'll demonstrate the script in Windows. It works the same on macOS. To run the script, open the Actions panel. I already have an action to run the script. For help adding scripts to Photoshop, see the link in the description for another video that shows the steps. In the Actions list, select Save Layers. Click the Actions panel Play button. The script that comes with Photoshop can only export layers of the open image. My script, we can do that too, but also process a folder, including subfolders. But for now, I'll start with the open image. I've added options to choose which kind of layers are saved. For example, we might not care about adjustment layers or text layers. There's also the choice to keep groups or not. I'll show the difference in a bit. For now, I'll include all. In the Output section, click the button Folder and choose where to save the layers. Then choose the file format. Choices are JPEG, PNG, PSD, or TIFF. Flatten removes any transparency. For JPEG, this option is disabled because it always flattens. JPEG has the options Quality and Embed Profile. These work just like the Photoshop Save dialog. Once all options are set, click OK. The script saves a separate file for each layer based on the options set. Files are named the original file name plus the layer name, separated by an underscore. Any characters in the layer name that aren't legal in file names are replaced. When done, have a look in Bridge. Here's a layer that was inside a group that had a mask. When the Include Group option is enabled, both the group and mask remain. I'll run the script again, but this time without groups. Open the same layer image, and you can see the difference. The result is the layer only, without the group or mask. But if the layer itself is masked, that's different. I'll move the mask from the group and drag it to the pixel layer Product instead. It is only when groups are not included and any of them have a mask, the mask is lost. Masks on pixel layers remain. Last, you can also do this to a folder of images. In the Process section, select Folder and click the button to choose a location. Enable the checkbox Include Subfolders to also process images in folders under the selected folder. This time, I'll save only pixel layers. Set the output folder and click OK. When done, see the results in Bridge. This is only 6 images, but even that small amount would have taken far more time to save the layers manually. Download the script and give it a try. See the link in the description. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe so you're notified of future videos. Any problem with the script or ideas for others, leave a comment. All suggestions are welcome. There are plenty of other scripts and videos for them. Click the video or playlist on screen for more. Thank you for watching.